Which word is a family member?
Uncle.
Fill in the blank. The tree's dash tall.
Ah.
Which word describes a shape?
Round.
Which word is a place?
Park.
Fill in the blank. I dash a sandwich for lunch.
Eat.
Choose the correct pronoun. Dash are playing.
They.
Choose the correct pronoun. Dash is my sister.
She.
Which word names a piece of furniture?
Table.
What is a baby cat called?
Kitten.
What is the opposite of day?
Night.
Which word is an adjective?
Fast.
Choose the correct article. Dash egg is on the plate.
N.
Fill in the blank. The rabbit dash very fast.
Runs.
Which word is a shape?
Triangle.
Which word is a place?
Theatre.
Which word is a season?
Winter.
Which word is a number?
Two.
Fill in the blank. The car dash fast.
Goes.
Which word names a day of the week?
Sunday.
Choose the correct article. Dash egg is white.
N.
Fill in the blank, the baby dash crying.
Is.
Fill in the blank, my name dash John.
Is.
Choose the correct article, dash eagle is flying.
N.
Which letter comes immediately after C?
D.
Which word is an adjective that describes texture?
Smooth.
Which word is a pronoun?
We.
Fill in the blank, the stars dash shining.
Are.
Which word is a family member?
Brother.
Choose the correct pronoun, dash are my shoes.
They.
Choose the correct article, dash owl is wise.
N.
Fill in the blank, the flower is dash.
Pretty.
What is the opposite of hot?
Cold.
Choose the correct pronoun, that is dash ball.
My.
Fill in the blank, I dash a letter.
Right.
Which word is a number?
Five.
Fill in the blank, the kitten dash softly.
Purrs.
What is the opposite of big?
Small.
Which word is a drink?
Water.
What is the opposite of quiet?
Loud.
What is the plural of fox?
Foxes.
Fill in the blank. I dash a book every day.
Read.
What is the opposite of new?
Old.
Which word is a punctuation mark?
Period.
Which word is a weather condition?
Sunny.
Fill in the blank. It dash a sunny day.
Is.
What is the opposite of early?
Late.
Which letter comes immediately after A?
B.
Choose the correct sentence.
I am happy.
Which word is an action word?
Dance.
Which is a verb?
Run.